Project Management Office. It can be of three categories. It can provide you a supportive role in an organization. It can provide you a controlling role. It can provide you a directive role. Most of the biggest organizations have this structure in the organization, PMO. It's not a, it's a costly structure. It's definitely a costly structure, so not every organization keeps it in their structure. What is the purpose? Project managers need guidance, coaching, advice about which methodology to choose, about which template to choose. In certain times, they need governance, they need power, they need the organizational support in terms of resource assignments. Where should they turn up? They should turn up to the PMO department, which will guide them with the templates, with the methodology, with support from the higher management. So PMO is the escalation point, and it can provide you three kind of roles. Supportive role, a PMO, which is a supportive in nature, will provide you training, coaching, templates, methodologies, guidance. They will not interfere into the projects that you do. A controlling PMO will audit you, will see how well you are applying the methodologies, how well you are using the templates, how well you are planning your project. So it's a complete audit of your work that you do, if it is in compliance with the methodology that the organization has selected. So then we have directive PMO. They interfere. They rolls up their sleeves and they become involved in the projects, various projects, side by side with the PM. So that is more of the influential role they play in the projects. They are not responsible for delivery, but they are active stakeholders which push side by side the project manager by providing him necessary support and also contributing in the project's finishing, in the project's deliverable achievement. So then we have in agile organizations, mostly we have center of excellence called Agile Center of Excellence. It has a other name also, Value Delivery Office. Remember, agile mean focus on value. So Value Delivery Office is the terminology for the PMO in the agile environment. What does they do? Similarly, they provide coaching, agile techniques, principles, values to various Scrum Masters, agile project managers, project team members,